Good morning, squad. Welcome to my day in the life with the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So the first thing that I like to do in the morning is take my potency cold press shots. That's good for your mind as well as your body and your skin. It also helps with your immunity too. Now the next thing that I like to do is eat breakfast. Usually I'll do some cereal with my oat milk, but today I'm going with these quick cinnamon toast crunch oatmeal packs that are so fire. I'm trying to eat healthy out here, y'all. Now after that, I'll spend the first part of my morning, usually for myself, scrolling through Twitter and Instagram. Then after that's done, I like to watch one of my favorite podcasts called The Crew Has It. Now, if you guys are a fan of the Power TV show, I promise you it's such a good pod. You just got to check it out. Whew. What up, y'all? All right, so today, y'all, it is right now about 9:20 something in the morning. Already had my breakfast this morning, watched my show that I like to watch. Right now, man, we actually have to... I got to do a little work here on the channel. Got to write a couple stuff, and then I also got to respond to some emails, all that kind of stuff like that. You know, boring stuff. But then on top of that, we got to go to the barber shop because I got to get this hair, like, I got to do something with it because right now it's looking crazy. Next thing I got to do, I got to run to Best Buy because I got to pick up a Galaxy Watch 5 Pro because I'm going to be giving one away right here on the channel, live on the live stream tonight. So y'all going to get to see a little behind the scenes of the setup and getting all of that stuff prepared for all of that. But nonetheless, y'all, let's go ahead and get to this work that I gotta get done so we can keep going on throughout the day. But I'm gonna be taking y'all along with me, and yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my day in the life using the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So I spent this time here working on a thumbnail for an upcoming video. Then after that was done, I went ahead and I just gathered up all the names for the raffle so that way I can put them all in a list where the winner is gonna be randomly selected and picked later on tonight. Then I had to respond to a couple emails before I went ahead and head off to get my haircut that I'm usually late for, but today I'm trying to do better. Right now it's about 12:48. I'm running about 3 minutes late to my hair appointment. Probably a little later than that. My barber probably gonna kill me because I'll be running late to my appointment. But nonetheless, y'all, we gonna get there. But I wanted to give you guys a battery check-in. Right now, it's about 94% of battery life that's on this watch right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, if I can get it in focus. Bam. About 94% of battery life that we got, which is actually really good, man. And that's one of the things that I love about this watch. The fact that I took it off the charger at about 7:30, something like that this morning, ate breakfast, watched my show, did some work throughout this morning, and I've only burned 6% of battery life, which is, I mean, come on, man. Like, that is amazing. Like, easily, we talking about getting through the whole day. Like, I have no fear or doubt that I can get through the whole day with this battery. So, which is what I'm gonna show y'all in this video, because I wanna show you guys when I'm testing out these products and stuff like that, this is how I'm actually testing it out. Just like literally just going through my day, you know, just kind of using some of the core features and just how I would personally use my smartwatch. So, hold on, I just got a little notification here. But yeah, man, like, I just think it's overall, man, it's a great everyday watch. All right, so I finally made it to the barbershop here. I was a little late, but my barber was cool about it. Now, the barbershop is one of those places where I go weekly because of the conversations, and I like to keep a fresh cut. Nothing will boost your confidence like a fresh cut on a Saturday. Now, after that, I end up paying using Samsung Pay on the Watch 5 Pro, which was a fairly smooth process. So we got the haircut done. Haircut looking fresh. Shout out to my guy, Shannon. All right, so we're getting ready to head out to go play some Topgolf, man. So I feel like, you know, we rolling throughout the day. Haircut took me about a good hour and a half or so to get the hair done. So right now, y'all, it is 2:33 and we sitting at 90%. So as you guys can see right there, we sitting at 90% there at the bottom. Not too bad, man. I'm not even gonna lie. We still in the 90%, only 10%, and we've been off the charger literally all freaking day, which is just fire in itself. So let's go ahead and keep the day rolling, and let's go ahead and get to this golfing, man, so I can show y'all my skills. Next, after the barbershop, I had to take a nice little hike all the way across to the other side of town to get to the post office before they close for the day. Now, I did a little bit more vlogging, creating some more content because you guys know content never stops. Now I end up grabbing those packages, dropped them off in the box. Then I needed to go ahead and check my P.O. box while I was here. Nothing was in there but junk mail. So I end up hopping back in my car and I headed off to my favorite store, Best Buy. All Alright, y'all, so no lie, man, I gotta run in here to Best Buy real quick. I gotta go grab the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro because I'm gonna be giving it one away live here on the channel tonight. Y'all gonna see all behind the scenes of that because this is the day in the life video. But nonetheless, shout out to Best Buy for sponsoring this video. Y'all already know, man, Best Buy is family here on the channel. They are official members of the C Squad, so major shout out to them, y'all. But I want to show y'all some of the top deals that they got going on right now. They got Galaxy Watch 4 as well as the Watch 4 Classic on a crazy deal right now. I think you can get the Watch 4 Classic for like $100 off, but they got some other stuff in here that I want to show you guys, so let's go ahead and get inside. Alright, so while I'm here, I feel like it's the perfect time to tell you all about the top deals that Best Buy have going on right now that's going to put money back into your pocket. And you all know my favorite word is free and discount is my second. So first off, we have these Sony XM4 earbuds that are $30 off right now. This is an easy win. Then we got the Galaxy Watch 4 as well as the 4 Classic, which you all know both of these watches are still bay, and the Watch 4 is $80 off and the Watch 4 Classic is $100 off, which if you get it for this price, I feel like that's a crazy deal. Then I had to come over to the smart home tech side of things because Google Assistant is a resident in my home that don't pay rent, but I love it anyway. So right now you get the Google Nest Hub for $45 off, which is another huge win and a steal. Then I had to come over to the TV side because this next product here is a product I actually own and I game on, but I wish I would have waited for this deal myself because you guys can get into the OLED space with the LG C2 for $300 off, which is crazy. And I can't even front. I'm kind of mad that I didn't wait on this deal myself, but now you guys know and I can pass it on to you guys, man. If you want to get into that OLED space, this TV here, I'm telling you, is so fire. But let's say you already got your TV, but it doesn't have smart TV apps, then you guys can scoop up the Amazon 4K Fire Stick for only $25, which is literally 50% off right now. And this is an easy pickup. If you want a little bit more, you guys can go ahead and bump up to that 4K Max Fire Stick, which is $20 off. I definitely recommend this one at that price point. Now, all of these deals here can be found in the description section below, along with a bunch of other top deals that Best Buy have going on right now that you guys definitely have to check out. And go ahead and let me know what you guys ordered and tag me in it. Again, shout out to Best Buy for sponsoring this video. Once I got what I came here for, I waited in line to check out, and I used Samsung Pay again on the Watch 5 Pro, which I have to say, adding payments to Samsung Pay takes way longer than it should, but once it's there, it works smooth. Then I noticed that my gas tank was low, so I needed to go to the gas station before we headed out to Topgolf, which is like a 40-minute drive, and I don't really feel like being stranded on the side of the highway, so let me go ahead and fill up real quick. Again, using Samsung Pay at the pump since I never go inside to pay for gas and don't really like using my actual cards at the pump, so this came in clutch. Now next, I went ahead and mapped out my drive on the Z Fold 4 so that way I can get it to pop up on my watch and get how long it's going to take me to get there, because I'm still keeping the time because I need to make sure I'm back home in time for the live stream. So it's a little past 5:30 and we just arrived here at Topgolf. Now we didn't reserve a bay, so we did have to wait like 20 minutes before a bay actually opened up. So we went ahead and decided to grab some drinks, chill for a little bit. Now I grabbed a Blue Moon and Ashley grabbed some passion fruity drink that I can't front look good. All right, so finally our bay just opened up and now it's time to get some swings in.
It's on.
So this is the first time we've ever been on the bottom level. We usually like up on the top because it at least make you feel like you actually know what you're doing. So the fact that we're on this bottom one means we actually gotta hit it. We out here, Topgolf. She getting her swing on. No pressure, they watching. She's so focused right now. Oh, that's a good one. Line driver, I'll take it. She got more points than me. Oh, it skipped over it. Oh no, it still went in. 5 points. All right, there we go. Nonetheless, y'all.
Out here winning.
She ain't winning. Oh, it didn't even go in. Wow. They played you. We still testing out the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Ashley out here just crushing it just now. I see it. Hold on, bro.
What is wrong?
That one went in, right? Wow. But anyway, it is about 5:47 p.m. We got about, it's at 82% battery life is what we got on this watch right here. And again, I had it off the charger since 7:30 this morning, and we almost going close to 12 hours right now, y'all, and we still at 82% 2%. Now I will say, when I did use like Google Maps and stuff like that, it definitely drained a little bit more than more than typical, because obviously it's pinging off from tower to tower to try to get the best location. But yeah, man, so far, y'all, the battery life is solid on this bad boy. We got about another hour here that we're gonna hang out here and just kind of chill, relax before we get to that live stream later tonight. Like I said, I can't wait, man. I can't wait to see who the winner gonna be. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be dope. I'm gonna get back to this game. Hey, let me tell y'all something about when you at Topgolf versus being on the top floor versus being on the bottom floor. The bottom floor will definitely humble you, because the top floor will make you feel like you actually know what you're doing. The bottom floor will set you back to reality.
So, let me tell you something about Devin, or CKid. He does not like losing to me. So he is gonna do everything in his power right now to catch up with me.
So I'm down right now, but I'm making my way back into the game. But just as I was making my comeback, our food came. So I end up getting the classic burger and the fries with cheese, and Ashley got the pretzel bites and cheese. And let me tell you, that cheese sauce they got with the fries, whoo, like I need a solid bottle of that right now, like no lie. All right, y'all, so Topgolf was a success. Check it off the list. It is right now, it is about 6:45. We gotta head to the crib because I gotta get ready to get this live stream started so I can go ahead and give away that Galaxy Watch 5 Pro that I got at Best Buy today. Again, shout out to Best Buy for sponsoring your boy and making this whole thing possible. I did lose the first game of Topgolf, but I was gonna win that second game, but we just didn't finish the second game.
No, you lost. Okay, so we have a rematch.
No, but anyway.
We have a rematch for the good people if you want.
We don't need a rematch.
You lost. Just say you lost, though.
It was 1-1. So it was
no, it was not 1-1.
It was 1-1. We ran out of time.
I have video proof. I'm going to tag him in it, and he better post it, because...
Look, I didn't lose. I just ran out of time. So after a who won what debate, we hit the highway back home and enjoyed the full moon off in the distance while listening to some classic Jill Scott on the way home and just vibing. All right, y'all. So I just made it back home here. I got to go ahead and get this live stream started, get it all queued up, because I literally only have about 25 minutes now. We got 25 minutes now before the live stream starts, so I still gotta like set up my audio and get all of that stuff squared away. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll check back in with y'all a little bit later. Finally, it is here, the time I've been waiting for all day long, and that is the live stream. Like always, y'all, I appreciate everyone who pulls up to these live streams. We had a solid turnout, even though I had some small technical audio difficulties. We made it through anyway, and I gotta send a huge congrats to Darren Carter, who was selected as the winner, and I got a chance to actually call him up and chat with him live on the stream, which was dope. So major shout out to him. Your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is on the way, courtesy of my friends over at Best Buy. All right, y'all, so we just wrapped up the live stream, man. Shout out to Darren Carter, who won the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro that we picked up at Best Buy earlier today. We'll be sending that your way. Now, the other thing that I like to do, y'all, just towards the end of the night, man, is I pretty much like to kind of decompress, like to unwind after a busy day of just kind of going out, hanging out. Been filming really all day for this video right here, and just, you know, I just like to unwind. So I play a lot of Call of Duty with my guy CJ and my guy Terry. We get a lot of dubs, y'all. Y'all gonna be seeing that coming really soon. But nonetheless, man, I'm gonna get ready to hop on here, get some gameplay in, and then I'll check back in with y'all a little later. Now, this is my third favorite part of the day after spending time with my wife and you guys on the live stream. I get to play some Call of Duty to unwind and just relax with my bros, CJ, Terry, Yogi, and Floyd whenever they're online. Now, I'm not saying I'm the best Call of Duty player out there. I'm just saying I'm close to it. But for real, y'all, it's always good conversation for the most part, and getting wins is just a bonus. Now, I do plan on bringing this to another channel because gaming, if you guys don't know, is a huge passion for me, and I think it's time to actually take it to YouTube and share my passion with you guys. So be on the lookout for that real soon, like next Saturday, real soon. Make sure you guys check out the link in the description below where I will be streaming, and make sure you guys are subscribed if you guys want to see that content. But after a few games and good conversation, it's now time to call it a night. So I put my Watch 5 Pro on the charger bedside, and I wake up, and we're gonna do it all over again. Love you guys, and like always, make your move and always remember your why, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Squad.